Who are you? Inside the simulation, you are a digital being, an avatar inside the virtual reality game. You are code. Your real self or player is logged into this virtual reality via some kind of a virtual reality setup. Avatar. You are an avatar in this virtual world. The avatar lives inside a quantum computer. Your avatar is an uploaded intelligence, UI, or digital being animated inside a movie or video game. Human beings. All the human beings in this virtual world are digital beings, whether it is a non-player character or uploaded intelligence, including UIs operated by real players. The Ready Player One and Jumanji movies depicts both NPCs and real players inside a video game. Non-player characters or NPCs. The non-player characters are human beings that are AI-generated characters who are present to give the game a realistic experience. They are characters that follow a fixed script in the game. They have no free will. They are part of the storyline of the game and provide information, clues to the real players about the quest or challenges that is undertaken. The Free Guy movie is all about an NPC's life. The Westworld TV show depicts them as hosts. Uploaded intelligence, UI, or digital beings. What do I mean by digital beings or uploaded intelligence? These are basically coded characters in the game or avatars in the game. These avatars exist only inside the game. They can be configured to a certain extent prior to logging in by adding certain skills, similar to what is shown in Jumanji movie. But mostly they are pre-configured with certain attributes. Various movies, shows, books, for example Pantheon, Upload, Goodnight World, Permutation City book, talk about consciousness being uploaded into the computer or cloud, which is a collection of computers that is part of a server farm. These scans of the consciousness are called digital scan, brain scan, electric being, copies, uploaded intelligence. Either of these terms are used. There is some sort of a consciousness copying technology that makes this possible outside this matrix. It is said that it is a copy of a real being's essence or consciousness. But this is not a true copy of the consciousness. It is just the intelligence of the real player that is copied. Check the video linked above for more details. Inside this matrix too, there is the neural link, and at some point in the future, it is possible that the brain can be scanned and a snapshot taken at some point in time, and then this can be saved on a computer disk as a file. So, UIs are basically files on disk that are uploaded to a simulation and animated, similar to movies and games. Real players. The real player is the real you or consciousness who is logged into the virtual world via some kind of a virtual reality setup that enables you to view the movie or game. The real player could be lying in a pod with this VR setup attached or plugged into them. This is shown in the Electric State movie and in Star Trek episodes linked above. Whatever the setup, it essentially monitors the player's vital statistics and gives a fully immersive virtual reality experience. It also includes a mechanism to capture all your senses, emotions, feelings. This is very well described in the Ready Player 2 book. In a way, the player is in a hypnotic stasis or artificially induced sleep and is not aware of the reality that they are logged in from. Usually, in a VR game, the player is aware to an extent that they are logged into the game. The movie Other Life shows this. But in our case, we are asleep and have no idea that we are not of this world and that we are living a virtual life. We have forgotten that we are logged into this VR game. The memory wipe prior to incarnation has made this possible. It is because of the memory wipe we believe we are all there is here and identify so strongly with our avatar. We believe we are the avatars, but we are not. The player is actively steering its life, unlike for NPCs. Which means the player has to become aware that we are in a simulation. So it's not that the avatar wakes up here, it is the player that wakes up and takes control of its avatar. The Peripheral TV series depicts this very nicely. Thank you for watching. Do check out our website and subscribe to this channel.